Today I'm going to show you how I make my synthetic wigs look more realistic for both the affordable hard fronts and the lace fronts as well. Now for hard fronts, you need to take in consideration that hard fronts with bangs will look more realistic than without bangs. Okay, now that you have your wig on, you can start by giving it a trim, making sure that your bangs have the perfect length. Then you can use some thinning scissors to thin down the sides. And this is the result. As you can see, it does look way more natural. For lace front wigs, you have to make sure that the lace color matches your skin tone. To achieve this, you can use some makeup products like foundation or powder. You can also plug the hairline, but that's up to you. It's an optional step, and I don't usually do it. Now, a trick I learned on... Why do I keep saying tick? A trick I learned on TikTok is that if you don't like the shiny of your synthetic wig, you can use some dry shampoo. Even more crazier. You can also style the wigs if you like a more natural style, but that's all up to you. Now, if you're interested, I list a bunch of more detailed videos on how to cut and style the wigs down below, so check those ones out. I really hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and yeah, let me know if they were helpful for you.